Hello, first of all, I'd like to apologize for this unintentional delay. However, we all know that there's a reason behind everything that happens to us in life. So, the reason for being late lies in the fact that I'm a person who loves creativity to a great degree. As you know, coming up with a creative work is certainly not an easy task. This has to do with the continuous thinking process we usually go through. That's why I'm always late in creating new videos. Having said that, I honestly don't care about the number of visits in as much as I do care about the valuable meaning that the message implies. This means that once I set my mind on something, I achieve it no matter what the cost. In brief, I'd like to thank my tribe for their trust, support, and for sacrificing their time to help me accomplish this work. I hope I won't disappoint you. Thank you.
It's only love.